Have you ever asked why we're not seeing explosive multiplication like we read about in Acts? Over the past few decades, there has been an explosion of discipleship multiplication happening globally. In a relatively short time, multiple millions have been saved and baptized through these movements. This has sparked a global army of disciple makers that has been referred to as No Place Left. We keep hearing stories of significant leaders globally who are having incredible impact on nations who were sparked after attending the very same Four Fields intensive that Augie attended a Four Fields training around a year and a half ago. He ran with the training throughout South America, and the impact was astounding.
This year and a half is about 500 new churches started.
Troy and the team took the Four Fields training to Canada and met Denny McKay.
And I got to meet Troy Cooper, got a training in Four Fields, and I just thought, how did I miss this? Less than 8 months, over 600 Filipinos in Winnipeg come to Christ.
After Four Fields intensive, Jacob Vonn's life and nation were changed forever.
I moved to Haiti to be a church planter with a traditional strategy. We weren't reaching lost people. Came to a 4-day, 4-field intensive. Changed everything for me in discovering from His Word Jesus' kingdom strategy, entering empty fields, sowing the seed of the gospel, to discipleship of churches, and raising up leaders to do the same thing. We see it throughout the New Testament.
Jacob and his team have seen explosive growth from 80,000 baptisms, most in the last year, and have equipped Haitians just like Jeffy.
Jeffy is 22 years old, he's from Haiti, and he's seen 7,000 house churches birthed